My name is Noah, and I am a small business owner from the United States.
My name is Estrella. I'm also a small business owner in the U.S.
And this is actually our second time at Arkana, and the first time was 2 years ago, and we both had an experience that completely changed our lives. We were fortunate enough to have the vision to go back to our lives and develop our practices and do the work. And it took us a couple of years to process the first time. Of course, that's different for everyone, but we're probably still processing the first one. But we were ready to come back and
continue the work.
I am floored. The first time the experience at Arkana was amazing, beyond description. But coming back 2 years later and seeing how much there seems to be a process of continuous improvement, you can see clearly how everyone at Arkana is constantly reviewing their processes, the outcomes, and looking for ways to improve it. And there's no way to describe what a well-oiled machine it is in terms of every need emotionally, physically, spiritually has been thought of and is addressed and taken care of.
Absolutely. And the experience I had this time is equally as hard as it was beautiful, and I would recommend this for anyone that's called to the medicine. It's not for everyone. Do your research, but I really felt drawn to this beautiful place to help my healing journey, and I am just at awe on the messages and love that I received here, and I'm excited to get back home to incorporate the new tools I have on my tool belt to better my personal life and my relationship with Noah. And I just have so much gratitude for everyone here, and the shamans and the facilitators, and just the attention to detail and the amazing meals that we had, and just the community with the fellow brothers and sisters that we met here, and just grateful for their support, and excited to see their growth as well. So much gratitude.
We've been to other ayahuasca retreats other than Arkana, and I can tell you that there's no comparison. Ayahuasca is not a drug, it's a medicine. A lot of people get that confused, and as such, it is quite possibly the most powerful medicine known to humankind, especially for emotional challenges and even physical ailments. And the power of the medicine requires that it be honored in the most sacred way. And that is, I think, what really sets Arkana apart from other retreats, is the shamans of the Shipibo tribe honor the medicine in the most sacred way possible. And the songs that they sing, called ikaros, are so incredibly powerful that they are an integral part of the medicine. And so you can't really have powerful medicine with ayahuasca without having the ikaros as well. And the shamans here are the best with that. So we definitely encourage you, if you're being called to ayahuasca, to consider Arkana as your place, and you will not be disappointed. Thanks.
Thank you.